I'm an artist, a visual artist that works with digital media. This work is a critical reflection that explores memory and forgetting, regarding collective memory versus individual memory. When faced with rapid change, urbanization, acceleration of development, we celebrate collective memory in national days and monuments, which is normal. But what happens to the individual memory? How do we preserve it? How do we organize it? How do we protect it? The title of this work is called That Which Remains, and I have used artificial intelligence, specifically style GAN2 and machine learning, to develop and create these deep faces that you see on the work. The proposal was about how to preserve memory faced with rapid acceleration of development and urbanization. The inspiration of the work came because of the rapid change that we see in Saudi Arabia. So it's a reflection on that. How do we preserve, and what do we keep and what do we discard? The work consists of 8 cylinders made of watercolor paper, and I used a machine learning algorithm called Style GAN2 to develop and create artificial people, which are called deep fakes. These deep fakes were transferred onto special paper, and then I burnished them on this paper, and then I used acrylic paint to add a body and a form. Each cylinder consists of 3 meters by 1.5 meters. 4 of them are painted and 4 of them are plain. The 4 plain cylinders have a projection of a video of a latent walk that was created while using the machine learning algorithm. The challenges was collecting a data set to prepare for the training of the machine learning algorithm. It was really hard to find any images that can be part of the data set to train, so I had to scrape a lot of the things on internet. Another challenge that I faced was time management. It does take a long time to train and to transfer that onto the paper within a certain time frame. What I hope is, with this work, as with all works, is that the viewer reflects on their own memory making. How do they archive their individual stories? How do they keep their memories within families, within communities? Change is good, development is amazing, but how can we preserve a memory within a small society? I would like to take this opportunity for my Saudi fellows to come and visit the Biennale. It's an amazing experience to see all these amazing works for local Saudis and international artists. Please come and visit and be mesmerized and amazed with all the incredible work that's here.